everybody, and Happy New Year 2020. And as we say in French, 20 sur 20 this year we score. And to start with, a lot going on already this week. On Saturday, I am participating at the Wellness Expo right where you are in Raleigh, North Carolina. It will be about, I'll explain how I got into creating my own skincare and why what you feed your skin with really matters. But today, the matter of this talk, of this little video, is next Monday, I'm having the first workshop of this year, how to drop the mask. For that workshop, we will identify what are the different layers that we cover ourselves to protect ourselves. And then you'll see how to recognize and identify those masks that you may be relying upon. And then we'll do some body mindfulness. And finally, a little bit of nibbling. A few early bird tickets left, so for those of you who haven't got their tickets, it's not too late. Hurry! It will be at the Sagewood Center from 6 to 8 p.m. In the meantime, I can't wait to see you very soon. Have a Happy New Year. If I don't see you right now, because I'm in Paris, I'll see you very soon. Au revoir!